Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a specific accessory for a popular piece of audio equipment, the PPJ AC power cord cable plug design for the 7.2 Yamaha RX-A810 AVENTAGE AV receiver. This isn't just any generic power cable. It's marketed as a direct replacement or spare specifically for this model of receiver, which is important because you always want to ensure compatibility when dealing with electronics, especially sensitive audio gear. The manufacturer, PPJ, emphasizes that this cord is intended to match or even exceed the original equipment manufacturer specifications, which is a bold claim and something users will certainly be interested in. Looking at the technical details provided, the cord is designed to handle a wide input voltage range, from AC 100V all the way up to 240V, operating at a standard 50 to 60 Hz frequency. This broad voltage compatibility means it should work in most regions around the world, assuming you have the correct physical wall outlet adapter if needed, though the plug format itself is specified as Type A. Type A is the standard two-prong plug commonly used in North America and parts of Asia, so users in those areas will find it plugs directly into their wall outlets. For those in other regions, a simple physical adapter would be required to connect the Type A plug to their local socket type, but the cord itself is rated for the voltage. Safety is a critical aspect for any power supply component, and the information highlights several protection features built into this PPJ cord. It includes OVP, which stands for Over Voltage Output Protection. This is designed to prevent damage to your valuable Yamaha receiver from sudden spikes or surges in the power supply voltage. There's also OCP, or Overcurrent Output Protection, which helps safeguard against situations where the device might try to draw too much current, potentially preventing overheating or other electrical issues. Finally, SCP, or Short Circuit Output Protection, is included to automatically shut off power in the event of a short circuit, a crucial safety measure to prevent fires or damage. These protection features are definitely reassuring to see listed. Furthermore, the product is stated to be CE, FCC, and RoHS certified. CE marking indicates compliance with European safety, health, and environmental protection standards. FCC certification relates to electromagnetic interference standards in the United States. RoHS compliance means it adheres to restrictions on the use of certain hazardous substances in electrical and electronic equipment, which is good for both the environment and potentially user health. These certifications provide a level of assurance regarding the product's manufacturing standards and compliance with various regulations. However, one point noted is that the cord is not UL listed. UL listing is a certification primarily recognized in the United States, indicating that Underwriters Laboratories has tested samples of the product and determined that they meet specific safety standards. While the cord has other certifications and stated protection features, the absence of a UL listing is something potential buyers in the US might want to be aware of, especially if they prioritize that specific independent safety verification. It doesn't necessarily mean the product is unsafe given the other protections and certifications, but it's a difference from many power cords sold specifically for the US market. In terms of physical design, based on the description, it's a standard power cable with the appropriate connector on one end to plug into the back of the Yamaha RX-A810 receiver and the Type A plug on the other end to connect to the wall outlet. The description mentions connector genders like male to male and male to female, which can be a bit confusing, but for a standard device power cord like this, you're typically looking at a male plug going into the wall and a female connector plugging into the device's power inlet. The key is that it's designed to physically fit and electrically connect to the specified Yamaha model. Ultimately, this PPJ power cord presents itself as a compatible and feature-rich replacement option for the Yamaha RX-A810 AVENTAGE receiver. It offers broad voltage support, multiple layers of safety protection, and several international certifications. While it lacks a UL listing, it compensates with other safety features and compliance marks. For someone needing a spare or replacement cord for their specific Yamaha receiver model and looking for options beyond the original manufacturer, this PPJ offering appears to provide the necessary functionality and several important safety considerations based on the information provided. As always, double-checking your device model before purchasing is recommended to ensure perfect compatibility.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.